Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Again, we are back here with another amazing video. So guys, I found this gap right now, and basically guys, this is the gap I am talking about. I remember when I was trying to actually understand the forex market, there is someone who taught me how to actually trade this gap over here, but he taught me exactly the opposite. He told me this is a level whereby you should not execute your trades above the level. You understand that the strategy I had, and basically guys, I lost a lot of money because I was trading this wrongly. And so guys, as I actually got so much experience in the forex market, the chart and everything, I understood that this is a gap that you can rely on to execute your trades. And basically guys, what do you do right here? I want to ask you, before we even kickstart this, I want to ask you, are you going to buy here or are you going to sell right here? Which are the criteria are you going to follow for you to execute your trades following this gap creation right here? Let me hope it is visible. Let me try to zoom in so that you guys can see for sure. This is a gap created right here on 30-minute time frame. This is Euro USD, and I'm talking about this gap right here. It is so evident guys, this is whereby there is inefficiency in the market. And so guys, I know you have heard about the fair value gaps, whereby we have three sequence of candlestick pattern, whereby the first week of the candlestick pattern and actual third week of the candlestick pattern do not fully overlap the second candlestick pattern. That's a fair value gap. But basically in this kind of a market right here, we have a gap whereby you can basically see right here a very clean gap guys. So what do you do right now? So guys, I want you to actually stick here till the end, because whenever you see a gap like this, you should be thinking of taking your trades, okay? And so guys, I want you to like this video as well, comment down below and let me know how you think about this gap right here, okay? So guys, looking at this gap, as per myself, I can basically say right now sellers are really in control. We should wait and see where sellers are going to take us. And so guys, once I see any signs of a reversal, once I see any sign that is basically showing me weakness of sellers in the market, I'll be very confident executing my trades, because there is a probability price will definitely fill this gap right here. And so guys, I'm going to target this level over here. If it breaks above, we're going to hold our position, of which I'm not really expecting to happen right now, okay? So guys, what I'm basically going to do right now, I am going to see where this left candlestick pattern is basically going to take us. And so guys, what we're expecting to see right now is how the market is basically going to behave. I'm waiting to see whether this left candlestick pattern is actually done with selling. So we have these sellers right here. And so guys, if you're wise, it is reacting to this structure level right there, or rather our minor support level right there. So it's very important to actually highlight this level over here so that it will be easier for us to execute our trades, okay? So guys, let's see how the market is going to behave as well. And so guys, once you see this liquidity sweep right there in the break of this structure right here, you can confidently execute your buy order, just as I am going to do right here. This is an instant strategy that can make you money within the shortest period of time. Basically, our stop loss is going to be below this low over here, and we're going to see how the market is basically going to react. So my target point will be this level right here. And so remember, we are trading this gap right here, and you can see the momentum of buyers is really in control. And there we go guys, you can see the gap is already filled and price is definitely to the upside. And basically our take profit is hit And so guys, you can see our gap is filled. This is a very instant strategy that can basically make you money. And guys, I've told you the most important thing you can do right now is actually seeing and paying attention on signs of reversal. Like you can see right here, we had various multiple rejection of prices and basically a break of structure right here, and you can see it was easily a very beautiful push to the upside. So guys, as simple as that, you can be able to make money as much as you can when you find a gap. Remember, the gap can be filled and it can fail to be filled. That's what traders don't want to know. That is what traders don't want to hear. So it is very, very important to keep that in mind. It can be filled and sometimes it cannot be filled. So for instance, if I've drawn my level right here, I can basically wait to see what is going to happen. So let's say candlestick really, or rather the red candlestick pattern or the selling candlestick pattern really crossed below my purple line over here. I could have waited to see what is going to happen next, and basically I could head on drawing my structure levels as well, and they could have guided me to execute sell trades or not. So I could be targeting this level if it was to be broken below as well. This one right here, let me draw it as well. This one over here, I could have chosen to execute my sell order and exit at this level over here or at this level right here. If they happen to be broken below, guys, I'm going to target next. Remember, forex trading is all about probabilities, and what I say, guys, and what I do, I don't say the market must. For sure I don't, and that's why I had to follow my own confirmation to show me whether this gap is going to be filled immediately or rather it's going to take longer. And let me tell you guys, when the market, like for instance, decides not to fill this gap and you end up executing your buy order, you're going to lose money. And that's why I say paying attention on candlestick closure and candlestick break. It is very, very important. They're going to guide you where price is basically heading to, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. This is a scalping strategy that you can rely on, simply because, guys, if you executed your buy order right here and you target this level right here, you could have made like your 20 to 30 pips or 50 pips depending on the lot size you're using. As simple as that, guys. That's what I wanted to show you, and sure, most of the times what I'm paying attention to is seeing a gap. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video, turn on your notification bell because you'll be notified anytime I post new videos. So guys, let me hope it is helpful, and so guys, allow me to leave at this point, and with that, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Listen, traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.